Hello, I'm going to do a food review on what amounts to a wood-fired ham, pepperoni, and onion pizza. I say it's wood-fired because what it is it's thin and crispy. I make it in a toaster oven, my toaster oven. But the trick is I use flour tortilla. Oh, so then after it's cooked, I put a little parm and drizzled a little garlic oil on it. Oh, let's see how this tastes. It looked good. Oh my gosh. The only thing I gotta say is that is perfect. Problem with these pizzas is because they're on a flour tortilla, they're pretty small. And I want about 5 of them. They're awesome. Thank you very much.